Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the fastest effective steps. Replace the remote batteries and press the voice button to watch for a prompt tone. Once done, power cycle the TV and any connected boxes by unplugging them for about 30 seconds, then plug back in. This clears temporary software glitches. Make sure the TV's voice control option is enabled in settings and that you've selected the correct input or assistant profile so the remote can pair and accept commands. Next, re-establish the remote connection and address deeper software causes. Put the remote into pairing mode and complete the Bluetooth or RF pairing sequence shown on screen. If the remote uses infrared, ensure no obstructions. Then update the TV firmware and any remote companion app so voice processing is current. Once updated, use the built-in microphone test and voice recognition diagnostics to check pickup and sensitivity. Adjust levels and repeat commands to confirm consistent recognition before moving to hardware fix. Finish with targeted hardware or recovery steps. If software fixes fail, factory reset the remote or the TV after saving profiles and settings, because this clears persistent configuration errors. Try a spare remote or the manufacturer's smartphone app to isolate if the remote hardware is bad. If the mic still won't respond, contact support for a replacement remote or repair. One key troubleshooting tip: test the remote microphone near a phone recorder. If audio is silent or distorted, it's a hardware failure and needs replacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.